Hi guys, today we're going to talk about Meghan Markle and Samantha Markle's case against her. If you don't know, Meghan Markle said that she was raised as a only child. She didn't say she was an only child, she said she was raised as one. That was during Oprah Winfrey's interview and during Harry and Meghan's documentary. And even in Scobie's book, there was mention of that. Samantha Markle took offense to that and she decided to sue Meghan for $69,000. She filed the case in Florida where she asked for a depository interview for Meghan Markle and she handed in a few questions that would be asked to Meghan Markle. The problem is that most of the questions that were put through by Samantha are not directly linked to the fact that she said she was raised as a only child. Some of the questions are in regards to her time in the royal family. Samantha is asking questions such as, is the Queen racist? And is the royal family racist? And there are questions regarding her first marriage because apparently she took offense to the fact that someone said she was not invited during that wedding to Trevor Engelson. That was said in Finding Freedom, right? Scobie's book. It was reported that she was not invited, but what she's saying is that she was invited, but because she had a wheelchair, she could not travel or make arrangement to go to that wedding. The people who made it to that wedding were Thomas Markle, Meghan Markle's father, and her mother, Doria. So these were the only two people who were present at her first marriage. So she took offense to that. She said that she was invited, but she couldn't. Now, there are other questions regarding Meghan Markle's time in the royal family, even her relationship with Ashley. If you remember in Harry and Meghan, the documentary, Meghan Markle spoke about the relationship and how they got in touch and how they had a fantastic relationship until the wedding. She could not invite Ashley because Samantha wasn't invited either, and people would have asked questions and would have created drama around that. So that's what was communicated to Ashley. Ashley appeared in Harry and Meghan and spoke about that. Samantha took offense to that, and she is asking for any communication that had happened between Ashley and Meghan during her time in the royal family to prove that maybe she was never invited in the first place. Something that proves that she was not invited, not because of the drama around Samantha. This is the type of question that Samantha Markle's camp has put through, and they were asking the judge to allow their request so that Meghan Markle could appear and answer those questions. But the judge in Florida said no to Samantha, allegedly, because we don't have confirmation yet. Apparently, he's said to have said no and rejected the request from Samantha Markle's camp, saying that it's not really related to the original claim or the reason of the case. So it's like a fishing expedition. Basically, what she's doing is she's trying to have Meghan Markle answer all those questions so they can get information and see what they can find. And I think that the tabloid might be behind it because the more information Meghan Markle will be giving, the more they will write articles about the royal family and Meghan Markle. And this is what Meghan Markle's camp is saying, that it's motivated for pure greed, desire to create drama and salacious information. We don't know if this is true though. Someone on Twitter has posted documents showing the decision of the judge. It looks legit, but so far nobody has spoken about that. We haven't had confirmation from Meghan Markle's camp, nor from other sources. For example, Scobie, I checked his Twitter account, nothing is there. But how would he know? He would ask me, I don't know. Anyhow, it seems to be connected one way or another to the Sussex camp, and sometimes it gives good info to the fans. The funny thing is, if this is true, none of the tabloids who were so vocal when Meghan Markle's requests were denied in that same court, they are not talking about it. It's like nothing happened. But I'm sure that if the opposite had happened, if they had forced Meghan Markle to come and testified, and asked to answer that question, I'm sure that it would have been everywhere in the tabloids, in the media, to show you how manipulative these people are. Also, what I want to say is that, the judge has given Samantha Markle the option to reintroduce the demand, but provided that she does that differently. It has to be linked to the original claim that Meghan Markle said what she said. So I just wanted to share that with you. If it's true, it's a victory for Meghan Markle. Right? It's a victory. Now we're just waiting for the judge to dismiss the claim itself because, to be honest, it's ridiculous. Meghan Markle's camp has always said that one has the right to talk about her subjective experience of her own upbringing. What they're saying is that Meghan Markle has the right to say that she felt lonely. She felt as if she was an only child. She never said she was an only child. She felt she was an only child. And this is true. On her mother's side, she's the only child. And on the Thomas side, she had a half-brother and a half-sister. But the age gap is so wide that it's impossible that they would have had a relationship. And at one point, Meghan Markle even asked Samantha if she even knew her birthday, or if personal information that normally if you had a relationship with your sister, you should know, or you would have known. And also she said that the last time she saw Samantha, it was like 15 to 17 years ago. And she's only been married to Prince Harry for 4 years, knowing him for 6. So that lack of relationship predates Harry and Meghan's wedding or relationship altogether. So it's quite interesting. So let's pray that Meghan Markle wins, and I hope that Meghan Markle either countersues or even ask for her legal fees to be paid by Samantha, because you can't just sue people like that and expect them to pay for the expenses of the lawsuit when you lose. I hope that she will be made to pay for that, but I'm sure that she'll find money. She will find money. I'm sure that this is my personal opinion, right? It's not fact, but I'm sure that she will find some people to help her pay for it. That's why she introduced the claim in the first place, because she knows that she will have money too. Anyhow, let me know what you think. Hope you like the video. Feel free to click on like if it's the case. Subscribe for more videos and click on the notification bell to be notified when I post a new video. Thank you.